Theta United States dollar medium-term support truly remained at 92 cents, or so they generally thought. The genuinely current exchanging volume of Theta organization sort of is at $64,904,273, or so they generally thought. Theta organization by and large is as of now esteemed at $1.26 bull control Theta's really current cost activities in an especially significant manner. 24 December 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these as often as possible, truly sought clarification on some things, facts, what certainly is essentially momentary cost expectation for Theta organization. Generally is Theta a by and large wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on, which basically is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging pretty profound into the Theta specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us sort of discuss the essentially current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,678,108,084,033 in an unpretentious manner. The very absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $59,916,753, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24%, or so they certainly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, showing how market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters, whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033, which especially is very critical. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time period in a really significant manner. BNB, the very local coin of BNB by and large, is somewhere near 0.23 and presently exchanging at $269.10 in an especially significant manner. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem incredibly. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a kind of descending heading for genuinely present moment, which truly is genuinely huge. Right now, an especially broad essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how 24 December 2023, in this video we will all things considered walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and really attempt to respond to these regularly gotten clarification on some things, facts, what by and large is somewhat transient cost expectation for Theta organization. For the most part is Theta an excellent interest in a sort of significant manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers by and large become genuinely something else in every practical sense, dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers truly become most certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which sort of shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours. Showing how market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,678,108,084,033 in an unpretentious manner. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, by and large is at $1.26, up 11.97% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 16.8% over the course of the week. Sort of additional appearance how support explicitly is a level at which purchasers explicitly become certainly more really dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they truly thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 64,904,273.00 United States dollars, while kind of absolute market cap came to $1,259,117,967 United States dollars, showing how BNB, the very local coin of BNB, truly is somewhere around 0.23 and at present exchanging at $269.10, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. There by and large are very nearly 1 billion, basically are available for use out of 1 billion, which basically shows that Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% incredibly. Theta Organization Value Investigation Theta Cost Examination for 24 December 2023, inside a very everyday time span, really made sense of beneath, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union into similarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including most certainly basic moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Theta organization. Kind of additional appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, showing how market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033 in a genuinely significant manner. The Theta United States dollar moving especially normal combination and uniqueness (MACD) marker sort of is demonstrating a genuinely present moment in every practical sense. Sell commonly signal is the MACD line generally is moving underneath kind of sign line, which in a real sense implies essentially bears most certainly are ruling on the lookout, which by and large is genuinely critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and for the most part is attempting to basically break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, which explicitly shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours. Showing how market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. While Theta's Williams %R pointer really is at 53.763 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange exceptionally signal in a real sense is somewhat conceivable at this reach,